Okay, so this is our data set and we're going to remove this is our CSV, and we're going to create mini CSVs that contain the missing values, sorted by by colon. So we'll have a CSV with only missing values in release year, which might have in the release year column, which might have some other columns missing, but the focus is release year. Or we can do one for genres which has others missing but focusing on the genres, like that. And these are over 17,000 values in this data set. So I'm going to choose Python. Okay, we'll go to Python, and I created a script because at first I did this colon by colon using subsetting and pandas, but I got to thinking and I said I feel like I can do this with a single script. So I created that script and I'm going to import it right now. I'm going to import it. It's import separate missing values as SM. So inside this we have yes, we have the separate missing values function and the CSV maker function. So what we're going to do is we're going to firstly import pandas, as PD, and then we're going to also import OS, and I'm going to change the current working directory to be change directory, and change it to the directory where we have this data set. Copy that address and put it in here. So now we change the directory, so we're going to access that file, equal to os.path.join os.get current working directory, and the data set is called data.csv. Right, so our data frame will be equal to pd.read CSV, and to be path. So this is our data frame with all the 17,000 entries and all the columns. So we're going to separate the different columns, the different columns, that we're going to remove the missing values and put them in different CSVs, right, using a single script instead of doing it column by column. So I'll just get separate missing values separate missing values, and I pass my data frame. What this will give me is it will give me a dictionary containing all containing data frames with missing values. For example, this here the key is title, which is the colon title, and it's giving me a data frame where the title is missing, right? And those are 486 where title is missing. Genres, it's 584 where title is missing. Release year, there are about 22 where title is missing. IMBD ID, there are about 1300 where the IMBD ID is missing. And for IMBD rating and IMBD number of votes, 17,000 each, 1700 each, sorry. So minimize that. So now what I'm going to do is get this value and create those CSVs. So I'll get sm dot CSV maker dot CSV maker import this dictionary, press enter, and it's saying that we saved the missing values for colon number of votes. Oh yes, we are saying that it has created all the CSVs. It has created all the CSVs according to the missing values. So we can see here the genre colon is missing, right? And we can see here IMDb rating is missing. You can see here release year is missing. Release year is missing. These are about 22 only, right? Isn't that what we saw in the data frames? And we can see, yes, so we've created all the CSVs with only two scripts, and I didn't need to do all that coding. Yes, I did the coding for the scripts, but I think you can get it now. So all done right now. Title, these ones have a missing title, IMBD ID and everything. So we're going to further investigate these PDFs which have missing values to get to start, we can use that little information that we have in each of those Excel files to find out, like for example, for that missing title, for the missing titles one, we can check by the year, the release year, the genre. We can say what TV show was a drama and crime and released in 1995, and it's only shown in California. I think that's California. No, that's, I don't know what country that is, but you know what TV documentary was released in 2006 and it's only available in the US. So you can use these clues to find that missing data.